The Pearson Test of English, or PTE, is changing things up. This renowned test, known for its accuracy and reliability, is undergoing a significant transformation to better serve its test takers. This popular English language test helps people all over the world achieve their dreams of studying or working abroad. From students aiming to get into prestigious universities to professionals seeking career advancements in global companies, PTE has been a trusted ally. In 2025, PTE has some important updates. These updates are not just minor tweaks, but substantial changes aimed at enhancing the overall testing experience and ensuring the test remains relevant in an ever-evolving world. These changes are designed to make the test even better at measuring your true English skills. The new format will include more interactive and practical components reflecting real-world scenarios that test takers are likely to encounter. Whether you're aiming for a top university or a dream job, understanding these changes is crucial. The updated PTE will provide a more accurate assessment of your abilities, helping you to better prepare for your future endeavors. Get ready to ace the PTE in 2025. With these new updates, you'll be better equipped to showcase your English proficiency and achieve your goals. Stay tuned for more details and start preparing today. One of the biggest changes in PTE 2025 is how your speaking and writing are scored. The test will now focus even more on how well you actually communicate your ideas. This means the computer programs that assess your responses are getting smarter. They can now better understand the meaning and fluency of your spoken and written English. The days of tricking the system with memorized answers are over. Authentic communication is the key to a great score. In the past, some test takers relied heavily on pre-prepared templates for their writing tasks. However, PTE 2025 is saying goodbye to these shortcuts. The new scoring system can easily detect and penalize the use of memorized templates. This change encourages you to develop your own unique writing style and demonstrate genuine language proficiency. So ditch the templates and let your true writing skills shine through. The essay section of PTE is also getting more specific. In the past, you could sometimes get away with writing a more general essay that didn't fully address all parts of the prompt. Now, PTE 2025 expects you to carefully analyze the essay question and provide a comprehensive response that tackles every aspect. This means paying close attention to keywords, instructions, and any specific examples mentioned in the prompt. Remember, details matter. Section 5, Grammar and Vocabulary Precision is key. Accurate grammar and vocabulary have always been important in PTE, but they're even more crucial in 2025. The updated scoring algorithms are highly sensitive to grammatical errors and inappropriate word choices. Even small mistakes can impact your score, therefore it's essential to brush up on your grammar rules and expand your vocabulary. Using a variety of sentence structures and precise vocabulary will demonstrate your mastery of the English language. Section 6. Adapting to the new PTE level up your skills. So, how can you adapt to these changes and achieve your desired PTE score? The key is to focus on developing authentic communication skills. This means moving away from rote memorization and towards genuine understanding. Instead of relying on templates, practice brainstorming your own ideas and expressing them clearly and concisely. Work on developing a natural and fluent speaking style, paying attention to your pronunciation and intonation. Section 7. Practice makes perfect. Train for success. Practice is more important than ever for PTE 2025. Familiarize yourself with the new question formats and scoring rubrics. Take advantage of online resources, practice tests, and study materials designed specifically for the updated exam. Record yourself speaking and analyze your performance, focusing on areas where you can improve your fluency, pronunciation, and vocabulary. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Section 8. Embrace the challenge, own your PTE score. The changes to PTE 2025 may seem daunting at first with new formats and updated content. It's natural to feel a bit overwhelmed when faced with something unfamiliar. However, this is your chance to rise to the occasion and prove your capabilities. but they ultimately offer a fantastic opportunity to showcase your true English language abilities. Think of it as a way to demonstrate not just your knowledge, but your adaptability and resilience. Embrace the challenge and use it as motivation to elevate your skills to the next level. Dive deep into the new materials, practice consistently, and seek out resources that can help you understand the nuances of the updated exam. Remember, the goal is not just to pass the test, but to communicate effectively in real-world situations. This means focusing on practical language use, such as engaging in conversations, understanding different accents, and expressing your thoughts clearly and confidently. By focusing on authentic communication and dedicated practice, you will not only be preparing for the test, but also enhancing your overall language proficiency. You can conquer the PTE and unlock a world of opportunities. Whether it's for academic purposes, career advancement, or personal growth, mastering the PTE can open doors to new possibilities and experiences. So take charge of your preparation, stay motivated, and own your PTE score with confidence. Section 9. Conclusion PTE 2025, Your Ticket to Global Opportunities. As we wrap up our exploration of the PTE 2025, it's clear that this exam is more than just a test. It's a gateway to a world of opportunities. The changes introduced in PTE 2025 are designed to better reflect real-world communication and the skills needed in today's globalized environment. In conclusion, PTE 2025 brings significant changes that emphasize authentic communication, critical thinking, and practical application of the English language. These updates are not just about testing your knowledge, but about ensuring you can use English effectively in real-life situations. Whether you're aiming for higher education, career advancement, or migration, PTE 2025 is tailored to meet your needs. And a deeper understanding of the English language. The new format encourages you to think critically and express your ideas clearly, which are essential skills in any academic or professional setting. The focus on real-world tasks means that your preparation will be more relevant and engaging, helping you to develop the confidence to use English in any context. While these updates may require some adjustments to your preparation strategies, they're designed to be more inclusive and reflective of diverse learning styles. You might need to incorporate new study techniques, such as practicing with real-world scenarios or engaging in more interactive learning activities. These changes are aimed at making the test more accessible and fair for all test takers. They ultimately provide a more accurate assessment of your language proficiency. Embrace the challenge, adapt your study methods, and take advantage of the resources available to you. There are numerous online platforms, study groups, and tutoring services that can help you navigate these changes and prepare effectively for the exam. And watch as your hard work paves the way for a brighter future. The skills you develop while preparing for PTE 2025 will not only help you succeed in the exam, but also in your future endeavors. Whether it's gaining admission to a prestigious university, securing a dream job, or moving to a new country, the PTE 2025 is your stepping stone to success. Good luck on your PTE journey. Remember, every step you take in your preparation brings you closer to achieving your goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and embrace the opportunities that come your way. Your journey with PTE 2025 is just the beginning of a world full of possibilities.